Hi friends, welcome back to Guide for All. In this session, we discuss the current affairs of second week of June 2022 along with the explanation, and at the end of the session we have a quiz for you. Please attempt it. Before that, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the video notification. Now let's start our discussion with the first question. Which state or union territory has topped the Food Safety Index 2021 and 2022? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. On the occasion of World Food Safety Day, this is observed on June 7, the Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia released the fourth edition of State Food Safety Index. This index has been prepared by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. This comes under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and the states were judged on 5 parameters of the food safety. One is human research and institutional data, second is compliance, third is food testing facility, fourth one is training and capacity building, last one is consumer empowerment. This index started in 2018 and 19, and it was meant to create a competitive and positive change in the food safety ecosystem in the country. Talking about ranking of this index, Tamil Nadu was the highest ranking state among the major states this year, followed by Gujarat and Maharashtra, while in smaller states category Goa topped, followed by Manipur and Sikkim. Meanwhile, among UTs, Jammu Kashmir tops, followed by Delhi and Chandigarh. Move to next question. What is the theme of World Food Safety Day 2022? Correct answer is safer food, better health. Every year on 7th June, World Food Safety Day is observed as per World Health Organization. The aim of World Food Safety Day is to transfer food system to deliver better health sustainability and prevent foodborne disease. This day first time observed in 2019. The theme of World Food Safety Day is safer food, better health. In India, food safety are regulated by Food Safety Standards Authority of India. It comes under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This organization, founded in 2011, headquartered in New Delhi. Talking about some important days in June 2nd week. On June 8, we observed World Oceans Day. The United Nations General Assembly has designated 8 June as a World Oceans Day in 2008. The theme of World Oceans Day 2022 is Revitalization Collective Action for the Ocean. In the world, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The ocean covers 71% of our planet. And apart from this, on 8 June, we also observed World Brain Tumor Day. And last one is on June 12, we observed World Day Against Child Labor. This day observed to raise awareness regarding detrimental consequences of the child labor. The theme of 2022 World Day Against Child Labor is Universal Social Protection to End Child Labor. As per UN reports, more than 160 million children, some age of 5, are engaged in child labor across the world. Move to next question. Who has won the French Open 2022 in men's singles title category? Correct answer is Rafael Nadal. As tennis player, Rafael Nadal has won the final match to beat Casper Ruud and claims his 14th French Open men's single title, and this is the most by any player. And this is French Open is also known as Roland Garros, and with winning the French Open, he became the winner of 22nd Grand Slam title winner overall, and this is also highest by a player. And he is a two title ahead of his rivals Roger Federer and Novak Djokovic. French Open is one of the Grand Slam tennis tournament played on outdoor clay court, and he is also known as a king of clay. I mean, Rafael Nadal. Talking about in women's singles, Iga Swiatek from Poland won, and in men's doubles, Marcelo Arvelo of El Slovedera and Jean-Jolene Roger of Netherlands won, while in women's doubles category, Carolina Garcia from French and Christiane Mladenovic of French won. Talking about some other sports news, recently Mithali Raj announced her retirement from all forms of cricket, and 13-year-old player is the first and the only woman cricketer in the world to appear in 6 World Cup so far. And apart from this, recently Virat Kohli becomes the first Indian to reach 200 million followers on Instagram. And last one is recently India clears inaugural FIH hockey 5 years title. Move to next question. Which state or union territory has topped the list of total number of road accidents deaths on national highway? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has topped the list of total number of road accident deaths on national highway, beside maintaining its top position in charter of number road accident fatality across the country. And this is as per Road Accidents in India 2020 report. This report released by Ministry of Road and Transport and Highway in 2020. 3,66,138 road accidents were reported by states and union territory, of which 1,16,496, I mean 31.8% were on national highways, and 47,984, 36.43 people were killed, and 1,09,898, 31.50% injured. And in this index, Uttar Pradesh alone, according to the report, Uttar Pradesh alone accounted for 16% of the total road accidents deaths on national highway in India, followed by Maharashtra and Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu reported the highest number of accidents on national highways. Move to next question. Which country has launched the global initiative Lifestyle for the Environment Movement or Life Movement? Correct answer is India. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a global initiative Lifestyle for the Environment or Life Movement on the occasion of World Environment Day through video conferencing. The idea of life was originally introduced Prime Minister Narendra Modi during 26th UN COP or Climate Change Conference that was held in Glasgow. Life global call for papers was initiated and inviting ideas and suggestions to adopt an environment conscious life. Move to next question. Which Indian personality has been named this season ambassador of British Council's India UK Together 2022, a season of culture? Correct answer is A.R. Rahman. As music director, A.R. Rahman was named the season ambassador of the British Council's India UK Together 2022, a season of culture. And the issue was launched to celebrate India's 75th anniversary and bilateral relations between two nations. Under the program, over 1,400 artists from India UK will showcase collaboration in dance, music, theatre, poetry, literature, visual arts, and creative technology. Move to next question. What is the GDP growth projection for the India in financial year or fiscal year 23 as per OECD's recent report? Correct answer is 6.9%. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development or OECD sharply cut the growth for India to 6.9% growth in fiscal year 23 from 8.1% earlier estimated. The GDP growth was forecasted to be 6.2% in 2023. This is below the Reserve Bank of India estimate of 7.2% growth. And the World Bank also sharply slashed India fiscal year growth 23 forecast to 7.5% from 8.5% in the April review. Talking about OECD, OECD means Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. It is an intergovernmental economic organization with more than 30 members, headquartered at Paris, France. It was founded in 1961. Move to next question. Which organization created a Guinness World Record for the longest continuously laid lane of 75 kilometers? Correct answer is NHAI. NHA, National Highway Authority of India, created a Guinness World Record for completing the construction of 75 kilometers continuous bituminous concrete in a single lane on NH53 between Amravati and Akola in Maharashtra. The lane was laid in 105 hours and 33 minutes under 5 days, breaking Qatar's record. Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari congratulated a team of 720 workers, including a team of independent consultants. Move to the next question. Exercise Sampriti X is a joint military training exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is Bangladesh. Exercise Sampriti 10 is a joint military training exercise between India and Bangladesh. It is commenced in Bangladesh as part of military defense cooperation. The military training exercise is aimed at strengthening the features of interoperability and cooperation between the both armies. The Indian country is represented by battalion of the Dogra Regiment. This is important. Apart from them, there is one more exercise was in use as it is exercise Khana Quest. It is a multinational peacekeeping exercise. This is recently commenced in Mongolia. Military contingents from 16 countries including India are participating in this exercise. Move to next question. Baikho festival is predominantly celebrated in which Indian state? Correct answer is Assam. People in India's northeastern state of Assam celebrated a spring festival named Baikho festival. It is predominantly observed by the people of Assam every year in June. This is important. The festival is meant to bring an auspicious harvest season with the abundant crops and good health. Apart from this, talking about some other important festival that was in news. One is first one Gangur festival. This is celebrated mainly in Rajasthan, and this is important festival of Rajasthan. And next one is Sital Sasti. Sital Sasti festival. This is celebrated in Odisha. And last one is recently Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has inaugurated country's first lavender festival at Jammu's Badeurwaha, where the cultivation of lavender has transformed the economy of the mountains area. Now go to miscellaneous, and there is a 10 to 15 one-liners. You can read it. Move to quiz. The question or the quiz of the week is: a passenger in a moving bus is thrown forward when the bus suddenly stops. This is explained. And this is the question of this week. That's it for today.